skincare here. My hair is here. Cutting all my hair, my water curls, my bone straight. Love everything. I love them. I love them. I love your customer service too, because you promised me 15 working days for production and it came out earlier than expected. It was even less than 10 days. I got a face mask too. Oh, thank you. I'm happy I did this with you guys. I got your contact from a friend, but I was skeptical at first, but I'm happy. This is lovely. Thank you. I'll do more business with you guys. Thank you.